So are you ready for another great listing? Yeah, this piece of property is perfect. It has a nice level yard. You can ride it all with a riding lawnmower. The house has been updated everywhere, and you'll see that in the video. They've done a wonderful job. This house is just all kinds of fun. In the yard, there's gardening galore, lots of perennial flowers and plants throughout the house and area. There is an above ground pool that has a tremendous deck. The deck is all the way around it. You'll see that here in a few minutes. The house has an open floor plan. It is huge inside. As soon as you walk in the door, you see the enormity of it. This video does not do it justice. The kitchen is a kitchen that is made for the cook. Has the island in the middle of it. Lots of countertop space and for all your appliances. The kitchen, the wood is just fabulous in here. Lots of light so you can see what you're cooking, and even the sink is really nice. Backsplashes are beautiful. It's just a totally redone, nice laid out kitchen. You will definitely enjoy it. Dining area just right off of the kitchen, easy for entertaining. You've got the holidays that you can have lots of fun with, and it has lots of space throughout this house. 4 bedrooms. That's big. This is the master bedroom. It is a large room as well, and it has a fabulous bathroom in it. Look at that big soaking tub in there. Big humongous walk-in closet. There's that big soaking tub that we were talking about. Nice big stand-up shower. Everything has been freshly painted throughout the home. And if you can see the trim, that trim is custom made trim in this house, and it is absolutely a piece of furniture. This is a bedroom or family room or whatever you want to use it for. It's a nice private room. Another really nice bathroom in this home. Of course, it is ready to move into. This house is ready to go. You really don't need to do anything with this home. She has an in-home office, which the internet is really fast. So if you work from home, you're covered when it comes to that too. You can sit on the porch there and listen to the stream. There's the gazebo. You can go outside and enjoy hour upon hour out in that gazebo. And the pool that I mentioned earlier, it is top notch. The landscaping. There's some brambles. And here's a bonus. If you decide that you want to have a business or a place to park a bunch of things in, big humongous building. For an additional $25,000, you can also have this building. Now the flooring on the main floor is not any good, and it needs to be ripped out. It's wooden flooring, so it needs to have dirt put in there, in my opinion, and either covered with gravel, or you could concrete it if you needed that. It has a second floor on it that could be opened back up into an apartment. It's been used for several things over the years. It was a restaurant at one point in time, and a bar another time. A bunch of things it's been used for. So anyway, don't forget to follow us and give us a call at 304-927-4400. Thank you.